How to use Apple Pay on Apple Watch 2025 method. What if you could pay for almost anything without pulling out your phone or wallet, even while your hands are full? Your phone is in your bag, and the line behind you is growing impatient. Most people get this wrong, but your Apple Watch might already be your most powerful payment tool. The surprising truth about contactless payments in 2025 is that Apple Watch is now one of the fastest, safest, and most accepted ways to pay in stores, online, and even in public transport systems around the world. Today, you are going to learn exactly how to use Apple Pay on Apple Watch in 2025, step by step, in clear and simple language. You will learn how to set it up, how to pay in stores, how to use it for transport, how to fix common problems, and how to make sure your watch becomes your go-to wallet. And stick around, because near the end, you will hear the number one mistake that causes Apple Pay to fail at checkout and how to fix it instantly. Let us start with what Apple Pay on Apple Watch actually is. Apple Pay is Apple's digital wallet system. It allows you to store your debit cards, credit cards, transit cards, and even some ID cards on your Apple Watch. When you pay, your watch sends a secure, encrypted signal to the payment terminal. Your real card number is never shared with the store. This makes Apple Pay safer than swiping a physical card. In 2025, Apple Pay is accepted in millions of stores worldwide, including grocery stores, gas stations, restaurants, pharmacies, coffee shops, and more. Now let us talk about what you need before you begin. You need an Apple Watch Series 4 or newer, or Apple Watch SE or Ultra models. You also need an iPhone paired with your watch. Your iPhone must be signed into your Apple ID, and you must have Face ID or Touch ID set up. Your watch must have a passcode enabled. This is required for Apple Pay to work. Now let us go step by step to set up Apple Pay on your Apple Watch. First, open the Watch app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Wallet and Apple Pay. Tap Add Card. You will see options to add a debit card or credit card. You can scan your card using your iPhone camera or enter the details manually. Once you enter the card information, your bank will verify it. This may happen instantly, or you may be asked to confirm by text message, email, or through your bank's app. Once verification is complete, your card is added to your Apple Watch and ready to use. Now here is something most people get wrong. Adding a card to your iPhone wallet does not automatically add it to your Apple Watch. You must add the card specifically to the watch through the Watch app. Now let us talk about how to pay in stores. When you are at a checkout terminal that supports contactless payments, look for the contactless symbol or the Apple Pay logo. To pay with your Apple Watch, double-click the side button on your watch. Your default card will appear on the screen. Hold your watch near the payment terminal. You will feel a gentle tap and hear a sound. That means your payment is complete. You do not need to open any apps. You do not need your phone. You simply double-click, hold, and go. Now let us talk about choosing a different card. If you have more than one card on your watch, after double-clicking the side button, swipe left or right to choose the card you want to use. Then hold your watch near the terminal. Now let us talk about public transport. In many cities, Apple Pay on Apple Watch can be used for buses, trains, and subways. Some regions even allow express transit. This means you do not need to double-click the side button. You simply hold your watch near the reader, and it works instantly. This feature is incredibly useful when you are rushing through a station. Now let us talk about online and in-app purchases. Some apps and websites support Apple Pay. When you see the Apple Pay option at checkout, you can choose to pay using your Apple Watch. You will receive a prompt on your watch to confirm the payment. Double-click the side button to approve. Now let us talk about security. Your Apple Watch uses a secure element to store your card information. If your watch is lost or stolen, your cards are protected by your passcode. You can also use Find My on your iPhone to suspend Apple Pay instantly. Now let us talk about common problems and how to fix them. If Apple Pay does not work, first check that your watch is unlocked. Apple Pay only works when your watch is unlocked and on your wrist. Next, check that your card is still active in the Watch app. Sometimes cards are temporarily removed after bank updates. If the terminal does not respond, try holding your watch closer to the contactless symbol. If your payment fails, make sure your internet connection is active for the initial setup, although payments themselves do not require internet at the terminal. Now here is the number one mistake that causes Apple Pay to fail. People forget to unlock their watch. If your watch is locked, Apple Pay will not work. Simply enter your passcode and try again. Now let us talk about why Apple Watch payments are so powerful. They are fast, they are secure, they are convenient. You can pay even when your phone battery is dead. Now let us answer the big question. Should you use Apple Pay on Apple Watch in 2025? If you value speed, security, and convenience, the answer is absolutely yes. Here is the surprising truth. Once you get used to paying with your watch, it becomes hard to go back to physical cards. So let me ask you something. Is your wallet ready for retirement? If this guide helped you understand how to use Apple Pay on Apple Watch in 2025, make sure to like this video so more people can discover faster ways to pay. Subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tech guides. And comment below. Have you tried Apple Pay on your watch yet? Your wrist might already be your smartest wallet.